Just found out you're pregnant in Rochester? Congratulations! Now you've got 80 tabs open on hospitals, doulas, midwives, insurance. Let's close every single one of them right now. Here's what we're covering in this video. 2 Rochester hospitals where doulas and midwives are welcome, the doulas you can work with in Rochester, what everything costs, how New York Medicaid can help, and a free app that builds your birth plan step by step. Let's start with where you can deliver. Strong Memorial Hospital's Golisano Children's Hospital on Elmwood Avenue carries a Level 4 NICU, the highest level available, making it the region's top referral center for high-risk pregnancies and complex neonatal needs. Doulas are welcome as support persons, they accept Medicaid, and the hospital is part of the University of Rochester Medical Center with maternal fetal medicine specialists on staff. Rochester General Hospital on Portland Avenue offers a Level 3 NICU and a well-established family maternity center serving the greater Rochester community. Doulas are welcome as support persons, and the hospital accepts Medicaid for maternity care, making it a strong choice for families across the Rochester area. First up is Phyllis Sharp of Royalty Birth Services, a DONA-certified birth doula and certified lactation counselor serving Rochester families. She offers birth and postpartum packages, placenta encapsulation, and breastfeeding support, and she accepts NY Medicaid. Her packages range from $1,750 to $2,000, and she's accepting clients now. Next is the Doula Duo, Morgan Moy and Rebecca Dilley, who pair 2 experienced doulas for combined support through pregnancy, birth, and postpartum. They offer lactation counseling, birth plan creation, and childbirth education in Rochester. Their comprehensive package is $2,000, and they're accepting clients now. Rebecca Hatchel of Labor with Love provides birth and postpartum doula care with a focus on home birth experience and LGBTQIA+ support. She offers postpartum packages and virtual doula options for Rochester families. Her packages range from $1,000 to $1,500, and she's accepting clients now. Amanda Souza-Hinkley of Alma offers birth and postpartum doula services with overnight support and newborn care expertise. She accepts NY Medicaid and serves bilingual Portuguese-speaking families in Rochester. Her packages range from $500 to $1,200, and she's accepting clients now. Here's the part every Rochester mom should know about. The True Joy Birthing app is completely free. No account, no catch. 9 guided sections walk you through your entire birth plan. You can find and message doulas and midwives near you right inside the app. Then export your plan as a PDF to share with your provider. It's the tool every mom needs in her pocket. Here's the reality. A doula in Rochester typically costs $1,000 to $2,400. Most doulas offer payment plans, and New York Medicaid covers doula services up to $1,710 per pregnancy since January 2024. Midwifery care and home birth options are also available. The investment is real, but the support is worth every dollar. Great news! New York Medicaid covers doula services. Since January 2024, you can receive up to $1,710 in doula coverage for prenatal, labor, and postpartum support. Contact your Medicaid managed care plan to find an enrolled doula near you. New York now also requires commercial insurance plans to cover doula services, so even with private insurance, it's worth a call to check your benefits. A birth plan tells your care team exactly what matters to you. You can build yours with the free PDF birth plan, watch our walkthrough series, or use the mobile app. It's all free, and it's all ready for you right now. We'll put the link below.